Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a printhead on an Epson Workforce 500 and 600 series printers. Also an 800, so 845, 630, 633, 635, and so on. So what I've done so far is I moved the carriage to the middle. While the printer was on, I asked the printer that I told the printer that I want to change the ink cartridges and then unplug the printer. I took all the ink cartridges out, and we'll just begin by removing the print head. You're going to need either a flathead screwdriver or something with a pointy tip, and you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Also a little bit smaller tip than usual, because the screws are a little bit smaller than standard. So here we have it. We have a Phillips head screwdriver. It's pretty standard. It's just a little bit smaller, like I said, than the usual tip number 2 for a screw gun or so. And this is a tip, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. And to do that's what we're going to use for taking this piece out. So there's on the side there's buttons or clips. I'll show you that in a second. They're located right here. You're just going to press it in. This one right here. So this one here, it's up top. And you're just going to push it. Slide in there. Go right in here. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. It's right behind this wire right here. So I'm pushing into it right now. And that will release this plate right here. So here it goes. Also, the first thing we need to do is disconnect it right here. You can also use a flathead screwdriver for that. Just pull it out like that, and you'll see the connection right there. It's easy to get to. And then we'll open this again and pull this right out. It was connected to this right here. Then we see the 3 screws right here. Now we're going to pull this plate up by pushing it out, the tab out right here, and pulling this up just like that. Okay, so we got this plate out from here. This is what we have right now. Now we need to start unscrewing the 3 screws right here. So one by one. It's the 3rd screw. And at this point, we should be able to just lift the print head out. It's usually best to just pull it straight up. Let's see if there's anything in the way here. There we go. This is where the connection is. So when you put the new one in, or after cleaning this one, you want to make sure you put it in the right direction, so how the wire is folded. So let's pull this out. And this is what the print head looks like. It's, in a way, it's not too hard to pull it out when you know how to do it. So after you do the cleaning and everything, we'll just put it back together. I'm going to put this cord back in. Just like that. Then gently flip it over and just put it right in there. It should be firm. Then we're going to put the screws back in, one by one. After you're done with putting the screws back in, you're going to put this piece. First, we're going to put this side in like this. So it slides in here, that tab goes under there, and it just locks in right there. Now we have this back piece to take care of. This is where the wiring goes, but that can go in later. Let's just make sure we move it out of the way here so we don't damage it. This here. And this one, it should freely slide in without much effort. And clips in. Okay, then we'll go right here and we will connect it on this side. And then just put the wiring under there so it's not hanging around. So it's pretty much back to where it's supposed to be. You should be able to use your printer now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Like this video if it was helpful for you or entertaining, and have a great, wonderful day. Thank you.